Today we're doing a soft gold trim around neutral colored nails. I never know exactly what I want when doing my nails, but once this idea came to mind, I was lit up to go for it. So here we are. Hey there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola of paolaponcinails.com, and I help nail pros and enthusiasts create thriving businesses as specialized gel nail stylists. If you would like to continue growing with me, then do consider subscribing. Not only have I already prepped this nail, but I've also gone ahead and applied a thin overlay over my nail. In addition, today I'll be using a Nail Thoughts by Kokoist tinted base in shade Peach, and I'm going to be doing something a bit unorthodox with it because this gel is base, builder, and color all in one. And even though I already am wearing a thin overlay, I'm still going to overlay my natural nail with it because this product is thin enough for me to do that, to like couple them together. And I just really want that self-leveling property on top of my already thin reinforcement. And I also want the smooth peach color so that once I'm ready to move on to my nail art, this is done. But real quick, speaking of Kokoist, have you heard the news? I'm hosting my annual Kokoist Certification again this year. Enrollment is now open, and this is one of the funnest online learning experiences. And if you want to learn and master this Japanese gel nail brand and want to know if this class is for you, I'm actually hosting a free class in a few days to answer all of your questions. Sign up using the link in the description box below, or if you're ready to enroll, that's also down there. Alright, enough chatting. I'm going to use this thin round brush for a bit of control as it is firm and almost feels like a useful tool instead of a brush to scoop up the gel. But the brush is still soft and bouncy and releases the right amount of product. I'm going to carefully apply it on the nail before grabbing a larger bead to structure this nail. Once I found my apex and I am happy, I will go ahead and cure. Now, I contemplated creating the trim with Boba Gel, which is Kokoist Firm 3D Gel, but once I put it on the nail, I realized that it might have more volume than what I want for today's look, which is fine. I still rock this dimensional look, but just not what I'm into today, at least. My other option is a non-wipe accessory bond, and it's just slightly raised, perfect for what we're doing today. Besides, our chrome pigment will glide on it very nicely since it is non-wipe. I'm going with it. Before doing any of this fun stuff, however, I'm going to go ahead and make my foundation matte so that by the time we are done burnishing, we only need to apply shiny top gel on the dainty trim. That's right, like not on the entire nail. All right, I'm excited. Let's do this. Now that it is matte, I'm going to go ahead and apply that non-wipe accessory bond gel that we've talked about earlier. Again, I am using the Kokoist long liner. I'm not overloading my brush, just enough gel to create dimension with it. I'm now going to cure it for 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to grab a Kokoist chrome pen. I'm going to use it in shade bronze, and it actually looks kind of gold enough, so I'm going with it. And there is a gold one, but I just wanted to use this one. All of the chrome pigment is pressed into the lid if you're not familiar with these pens, and even though these allow for more control, I'm still going to get rid of some excess on the palette and apply with a separate applicator. This is optional, but I just don't want chrome pigment all over the place. Brush off the excess from off of the nails and seal the pigment in. I went ahead and used the non-wipe accessory bond again to do this, to seal it in. And this has the thickness and hopefully the strength to keep my chrome from chipping. I always recommend you double coat your chrome, okay? Cure and wipe off the chrome excess after you're done. You are done creating your set of neutral base gilded dainty borders. Thank you for watching. If you loved today's video, can you do me a favor and give it a thumbs up to boost it up in the algorithm so that we may help more people? And if you need a little more direction in your nail career, I want to encourage you to join my free masterclass using the link in the description box below, or sign up to the upcoming Kokoist Certification, whether you're ready to enroll or just sign up to a free training this coming week. Both links are available for you in the description box below. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you next week, and bye for now.